Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So pretty excited to share this with you. This is a brand new 2022 Lexus GX 460. So this is the one with the long-awaited update and upgrade to the center infotainment section. So the whole entire front dash of this is upgraded, and gosh, it was long overdue, right? I mean, we all have seen the previous edition, and that was always the #1 gripe people had about it. You can never gripe about its reliability and functionality because it is a tank with this V8, right? People love it. Body on frame design is similar to what you get with the 4Runner, right? So people love it, and for good reason. This particular one is the Black Series, the Black Line Special Edition, if you will, the Black Series. And with that, you get all the upgraded blacked out accents. You know, up front too, you get the darkened trim surrounded with the spindle grille that you get with the Lexus. The headlight housing of two of course, is blacked out, which looks phenomenal. Love that three dome light within it. It looks awesome. Freaking love that. And this is, I should have opened with it, forgive me, this is the Nori Green color, which I think if you're going to get a Lexus and if you're going to get a GX, this is definitely a go-to option for it. Of course, you get the blacked out wheels, blacked out trim pieces and accents throughout it. Let me show you one without a giant bright orange cone in front of it, shall I? Here you have it here. The stock wheels and stock tires are pretty buttermilk basic, as you'd imagine. The size is 265/60/18s, but I tell you what, this paint is remarkable. Show you the back end of it. It's definitely a sleek rig. So I mean, normally speaking, you know, even all the trim bits, all blacked out. Right, with the roof rack up there, crossbars all blacked out. It is a swing out rear door, which is awesome. You just don't get that enough nowadays. And keep in mind, all this too is all a darkened bronze chrome, which is pretty sleek. Here's that swing out for you. So people love it for this reason right here. Tons of space, plenty for what you would need, of course, with some pop-out storage compartments back here as well. Of course, the cargo cover as well. And this is where the magic happens, team. So this is where all the upgrades and additions have been made. I love this. I just love the feel. Right when you get inside of it, you know it's a Lexus. And you knew that with the previous year too, of course. Just the feel of everything is top-notch, even if it was dated before. So I think anybody who has one, they can speak to that too. But this section here, definitely long overdue. This whole entire dash has been upgraded with the center stack here. I don't think we have the key. We'll try. No. So this is your center stack. Pretty sleek, standard Lexus steering wheel. And I'm not a guru on Lexus at all. You guys know I'm a Toyota fanboy, absolutely at heart. But as far as Lexus goes and all the details, I don't have it per se. But I definitely want to get you eyes on it and walk you through all the at least notable changes and upgrades that have been made, which looks sleek. So you get that piano gloss black up here, which I think people will gripe about, right? I mean, we're always kind of quick to argue about fingerprints that you can see on it, but still, it's still miles ahead of that previous year, in my opinion. Sunroof, stuff that you'd expect, of course, not a panel roof, but still just a standard sunroof up here. There's your controls for it. Here's your center armrest section with, I think they might have, yeah. Here's your seats. Back seats there. So I mean, if you're about that dad life like I am, you know it's not necessarily the most ideal. Similar to the 4Runner. I mean, they work. We have 3 kiddos and we make a 4Runner work, and this is, you know, pretty dang near identical to what you're going to get in a 4Runner, which is plenty, and it's great. But it's just, you know, not quite, you know, Sequoia status, you know, Sequoia, Tahoe, you know, the bigger rigs, which might be more appropriate with 3 kiddos. But at any rate, team, just wanted to walk you through it, do the quick little intro for you. Forgive me, I don't have all the details for you, but at least wanted to let you get eyes on it. So I appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.